Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this brown and gold cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I started with tape to tape off the edges. Then I used the Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place for the lighter brown shade, and I started to sketch out the area where I wanted the cut crease to begin. Once I have the shape I want, I start to add more color and start to blend it out. Then I added some of the darker brown shade, starting to blend it in with the lighter brown one. Next, using the Nomad palette from Juvia's Place, I'm using this kind of brownish orange shade as the transition shade to blend out the colors. Then I'm using makeup remover to cut the crease and remove any excess eyeshadow. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer on top of the lids. Then I'm adding some translucent powder on top of that to set it. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty Brown Obsessions palette, and I'm going to be using the gold shade. Here I wet the brush a little bit before dipping into the color. And I'm putting this gold on the inner corners of the lid. Next I'll be using the same orangey brown color, and I'm using this on the middle of the lid. Then using the lighter brown shade, we're going to do the outer corners. And finally using some of that darker brown shade in the outer corners and the tip of the wing. Then I felt the outer corners needed to be a little bit darker, so I added just a little bit of the black shade in the outer tips of the wing. And used the brown and gold underneath the eyes. For the lashes, I used the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and then topped these with false lashes. Then I used the NYX Liquid Suede Lipstick in a red shade called Cherry Skies. And that completes this gold and brown cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.